Welcome back, everybody, to 3 Inquisitive Kids. So, a couple of days ago, one of the other recorders on this YouTube channel, Combin, tried to challenge me with this problem. It took me a while to figure it out, and in the end, I did need some help from Karen, so we worked it out together. And I wanted to make this video so you can also try to work your brain a little. So, here's a problem. Here we have a semicircle, and this is actually half of a circle. And you can see that this angle is perpendicular. So is this angle. The length of this line is 4, while the length of this line is 2. The length of this line is 6. And now we're trying to find the area of this entire shape. So how would you solve this problem? I want you to pause the video first and see if you can figure it out by yourself. So what did you think? What was your solution for solving this problem? Are you guilty and you only paused for a few seconds and then came back to see me tell you the answer? Well, let's dive into it. So we know how to find the area of a circle. It's pi, the radius squared. And since this is half of a circle, it would be 1/2 times the formula of the area of a circle. And the only variable we need to find in this problem would be r. What is the radius? First, we have to find if there is an answer or a solution to this problem. So let's redraw this diagram, but this time we're going to ignore the circle part of it. We're only going to draw these 3 line segments. Here we have the 4, the 6, and the 2. 4, 6, 2. And we know that, for example, these 2 points have to be on the circumference or the outer edge of this circle. And since this is half of the circle, this line segment would have to be on the diameter of this circle. If we were going to draw a circle, let's say that this is our circle. Let me redraw one. Let's say that this is our circle and this point is on the circumference. There would be only one circle that follows all of these conditions. So now we know for sure that there is only one solution, and now we're going to go find it. So here I am with my new and improved circle. I'm going to make a random dot, okay? And let's see that this is the center of our circle. And we know that the radius is the distance from the center point of a circle to any of the dots, of the other dots on the circumference, right? For example, if this is our center, this is O, this distance would be equal to this distance because they are both the radius. And now you can see we have 2 triangles after I drew out the dotted lines, the auxiliary lines. In order to make these 2 triangles congruent, we have to make this side 2. You can see now we have 2 and 2 here, and 4. 4 and 4. And you can see that this is perfect because 2 plus 4 equals 6, and we had 6 in the first place. So now all we have to do is find the hypotenuse side. How long is this side of the triangle? All we have to do is use the Pythagorean theorem. 2 squared plus 4 squared equals r squared. That's our radius. So now we simplify. 4 plus 16 equals r squared, which means that r squared is 20. And now r would be the arithmetic square root of 20. Now all we have to do is substitute r with the arithmetic square root of 20 in our formula. That would be 1/2 pi times r squared. And that would be 1/2 times 20 times pi, which would be 10 pi. Of course, if you wanted to, you can further simplify pi, maybe round pi to 3.14 and then multiply, or you can use a calculator. But for this problem in this video, I'm going to leave it just as 10 pi. And so that is our answer.